quiet. Because this is some bullshit and you're going to take me to jail. So I really just, please be quiet.
October 27th, 2025. Watch how a routine daycare pickup turns into a case when a boy says his teacher grabbed his arm and pushed him to the floor.
Okay, what happened?
I came to pick him up right now after school, and he was fine until he showed me his arm.
Right.
And I started telling me that one of the teachers, Miss Heather, grabbed him by his arm and pushed him really hard and far away. And because I guess he had grabbed the toy.
Right.
And but this is not okay.
Okay.
She literally him.
Okay.
Like I understand you. Like he was being bad,
his
but
family?
you know, yeah, his
Oh.
sister-in-law. Yeah.
Okay.
And we're gonna put charges on her.
Okay. All right. First off, who are you to the child?
He's my son.
Is your son? Okay. I need to see your ID.
It's in the car.
Go get it.
Where's the keys at?
No, don't take his shirt
No,
off.
yeah,
No.
yeah. Yes, papi, yes, yes.
No,
Remember,
leave his shirt.
Don't be
Ma'am.
scared of the policeman, papi, okay?
Why are you taking
Remember?
his shirt off?
So
Ma'am, put his shirt back on,
No,
please.
that's fine.
No, it's not fine. They don't like to have their shirts taken off. Put it back on. I don't need it
You
to
okay?
take off his shirt to just look at his arm. Come on. Think about what you're doing.
No, but are you like, that's fine. Just
No,
take a
ma'am.
picture.
Put his shirt back on, please. Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you stand at attention? Like this? Stand at, put both your arms. No, put your arms down. Stand
Your
at
arms
attention.
down.
There you go. All right. Good boy. Very good. Okay, now I want you to put both arms out like this, like I'm doing right now. Like that. Okay, very good.
So what do you? What happened, Mom? What?
So I came to pick him up. I had just gotten out of an appointment and I came to pick him up.
Right.
Like usually this is the time I pick him up. So I
Okay.
came and he has
Take
his
your
snack
shirt
in
off
his
and
hand.
look at
And I'm waiting
you,
for
okay?
him there in the lobby, the
Stop.
front, and he comes and he's
Listen out
saying
for the
his
radio,
thing,
Mr.
and then
Regis.
that's when he shows me his
Can you look
arm.
your arms up for me?
Before they even try to give me an incident
See your
report,
back.
he shows me his arm and he's like, "Mommy, look." And I saw it, and I'm like, "Who did this to you?" And he's like, "Miss Heather." He's like, "Miss Heather grabbed me by the arm, and then he pushed me back." And because I guess he wanted a toy, or he tried grabbing a toy, and I don't know why she went out, but apparently he wasn't even in there for more than 5 minutes
Okay.
when this happened.
Okay.
So,
And he was dropped off at what time today?
I think I have the check-in record here.
Approximately. It doesn't have to be exact. Just approximately.
7, 8.
Probably 9 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. And none of that was there. There were no previous injuries on that arm whatsoever.
No.
Okay.
There was not.
And he told you that he was grabbed on the
Yeah,
arm.
that
That's
she
what it
grabbed
was?
him by the arm and that she him really hard because he demonstrated to me. He walked all the way back. He's like, "Mommy, he pushed me like this."
Okay, now who's Miss Heather?
Miss Heather is one of the teachers there.
What is it? One of his teachers?
No.
Okay.
That I know.
Did you go inside the school to speak to anybody?
No, she's the right there, the director in the front.
The director in the front. That's the only person you talked
Yeah,
to.
she's the one that spearheaded. She said that there was an incident report.
Okay, show that Spider-Man.
Because whenever there's an incident, like, I have to sign. But I didn't even look at the paper, grab it or anything. Like that's when I saw the and I was like, I'm not signing anything.
Okay. Okay. Now my question is, has he ever had any issues with this teacher before?
No, not that I know.
Not that you know of. He's never had dealt with her or that you know of.
The only thing I noticed was this past week that they did pictures?
Last week.
Yeah. I was here. He was I had came to do pictures, but he only came for pictures. So I came, I changed them, and we were doing pictures. Or was it that day? It had to be that day. If not, it was this past week. And she just made the comment of, "Oh, I'm gonna be your son's ass." She's like, "Whatever he wants has to go." And I just stayed like, "What the hell?" Like I didn't say anything because I was leaving. I just stayed quiet. I just left. But I show up here today and he's like this, and it was with her, with the same teacher.
Right. Now, do you don't remember when that happened?
I can't remember exactly what day it was.
What day it was?
When picture day?
Last week?
No, it was last week.
He's not gonna want to talk to any of you guys. Yeah, but what the heck? I didn't touch him.
Maybe I know Kim.
No.
Can I talk to Miss B?
She's right here.
Hey.
Didn't touch him.
Listen, man, we'll give you a few minutes, but then we're gonna have to walk you outside, okay? We're not gonna put handcuffs on you in here.
Yeah, I don't want to put cuffs in here, ma'am, so just, we want to escort you to
But how does that really even take place, though? I didn't even touch his arm. But yet his aunt, she was holding him like this. There's two people that seen her holding him like this and even drag him to the lounge or something. I don't know. But I didn't even touch this arm, and I didn't even touch anywhere down here. Does he have a mark right here?
No, I took this.
So what the heck? If anything, he would have a mark right here. I didn't touch him anywhere right here. So I don't understand how the heck is that supposed to be
The one thing
possible.
that I would just ask guys, officers, is to wait and talk to a couple of the kids tomorrow. They see things too.
I have two girls. My dad has my girls right now. Are you kidding me? I didn't touch his...
Yes.
So then if it's like that, then his aunt should be taken too, though. She touched him.
Huh?
Remember, you told me that you saw this in the morning, and she showed you
I
pictures
didn't
after.
see that in the morning. I said somebody said it.
Okay.
Of course. Can you talk to her dad?
Yeah, we can speak to everybody. We just need to, we have to get her outside first.
What's the difference of getting outside and just sitting right here?
Because
Miss William, we have to take you into custody.
Ridiculous.
we're gonna figure it out.
Miss William, you want to leave your...
I'm gonna...
No, I'm
just,
sorry.
just don't talk to me, please.
Listen, you can leave your stuff here too, because that's not...
Yeah, it's childish, but can you please just stop talking for a moment? Just please be quiet. Because this is some bullshit, and you're going to take me to jail, so I really just, please, be quiet, please. Like, I have no say-so in any of this. It's, oh, da-da-da-da-da-da.
Is Officer Suarez, the Homestead Police Department. How you doing, sir? Listen, she's going to be taken to Homestead Police Station, okay, where she's going to be booked and processed, and then from there she'll go to TGK, okay, which is the county jail in Doral, okay?
What are the charges? Where are her rights?
That's what I asked him. He said he can't. He's not telling me that I have to go.
No.
And all I just want to know exactly what am I being taken for?
There has to be a reason why you're doing this.
So that's what I'm asking. What exactly am I being taken for, though?
You already explained it, he's going to explain one more
You're
time.
being arrested. For
I-
the that child. What else do you need?
Oh, so they're saying child.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Okay, ma'am, we're going to go or not? Because I can't stay here
We
forever.
need to step out, man.
Miss B, how can this happen?
That doesn't make any sense. That's the thing. It doesn't make any sense, Dada.
We've never had anything like this before.
But also, it's a she say point fingers type thing, though. But yet, I never touched him there. Rosa had her hands on him. And other staff members said they seen her drag him into the lounge. And I seen with my own eyes Rosa grabbing his arm.
So how are you being a...
Because they don't fucking care.
The other teacher that saw that?
I didn't speak with anybody.
I told him that other people
You didn't speak
did.
to the other teacher? This is the first I heard of that.
They were telling me all this when I found out. And I told him. Can we get in the car, though? I mean, my whole freaking people is here.
Listen, I need your phone, okay? And I'm gonna have to place you in handcuffs, but you're gonna stay in the car when we do it, okay?
How does that even really work, though? How do you just, like, have a say-so from somebody when you have witnesses seeing that they put their hands on them? I don't understand that. Really, I don't. I've been doing this for 10 years. Do they have to go behind my back?
No, I'm not gonna put it down. Wait, just sit tight. It's a short ride to the police department. We'll talk more there, okay? Anything in your pockets or anything like that? Okay. You're gonna make a right and then another right. Yes, ma'am.
Get here before you start asking for people. Sir?
Ma'am?
Hello, Marie. How do these things usually go? Or how do they even...
Okay. Disregard, she just placed me on. Thank you.
been dispatched to 631.
So with the understanding that I'm not the investigating officer for this, I'm going to just explain to you how an investigation goes. Okay? Whatever allegation was made, which once again I wasn't there for, but whatever allegation was made, okay, it was investigated by the primary officer. Okay? Due to the nature of the allegation, okay, it gets sent to our GIU division. Our GIU division comes on scene and they investigate the parties and they establish what's called probable cause. Okay, probable cause in the state of Florida gives police officers the right to place you under arrest. It doesn't mean you're convicted of any crime. Okay, you're still innocent until proven guilty. That's not just a saying, that's literally how it goes. Okay? During that investigation, it was established that there's enough probable cause to place you in custody. Okay, so right now this is what's called taking the ride. So you're getting booked in process, you're gonna go to TGK, you're gonna have a 24-hour probable cause hearing.
I just don't understand it when there's no facts or scene that I touched him. But there's facts and there's scene that she touched him. That's just, it doesn't make sense.
I can't tell you specifically.
No, I know. I think that's off the jury.
You have on my ring one.
Oh, sorry. I've been a teacher for 10 years. Never once out of 10 years. And then now all of a sudden something happens. And I can understand if I actually did touch the kid anywhere here. I didn't touch him anywhere here, right here. And it's not like I grabbed him and said, get up. I said, all right, come on, Joel, we have to go to class. And he got up with me like this. And then I guided him by his back. But yet his aunt is still standing there, grabbing his arm like this. Pushing him to me, pushing back.
I'm gonna put you in this first cell, okay?
She was charged with child abuse, no great bodily harm. Cases like this show how fast a classroom concern can turn into a police report. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.